All right, focus. We're going to be covering the AWS Skill Builder labs. These are going to be 3 different options. If you want to do gaming, if you want to do a self-pace, or you want the challenge, there's going to be options available for you to be able to achieve your goals. I'm Adam. I'm a technical account manager with AWS, and I love helping people and trying to achieve their goals. So getting that hands-on experience is really hard a lot of times. So this makes it simple and easy, and you can have fun while doing it. So the first one we're going to look at is going to be on the self-paced labs. These are very straightforward. The objective is going to have a set of instructions that you're going to go through. It doesn't necessarily have to be tied to a video, so you can be able to do this on your own. Once you completed the steps and you go through the process, then it will have an assessment, well, not necessarily assessment, but a validation that you completed the work. These labs are really good to be able to just kind of do on your own and work through the process for a little bit more repetition. AWS Jams is a really good way to reinforce everything that you learned within the video content, and it really solidifies that you know how to do it from memory. The other part is that if you need help along the way, there are some hints that you can do, but this is a point system. And when you have the challenges, there's going to be a leaderboard and you can work through the challenges on your own, or you can do it together as a team. So this makes it very fun and inviting. Here, you're going to be able to work through real world scenarios to be able to understand how these services are going to work together, but it's going to be in a hands-on environment. I thoroughly enjoy the AWS Cloud Quest. A lot of you may have heard this, but ultimately it's a gamified way to be able to do the virtualized environments. It's very similar to the self-paced lab. So when you go through it, you're going to be given the instructions on how to complete the lab. But then at the very end, it's going to be validated. So when you go through this is a really fun, enjoyable way to be able to learn. You're going to be segmented into different islands that you can work through. So there could be databases, serverless, or EC2s, or machine learning. So you can go through and focus in on those things, and it's going to cover all the topics within those areas. So have fun while doing it, and this is a blast. This is a way for you to immerse yourself in a game environment so you can have fun and be able to retain the information and learn while doing it. I do want to mention that they do have the labs also integrated within Learning Pass, so this is going to be very similar or remind you of a Cloud Guru, Cloud Academy, Wiz Labs, some of the other providers that have a lot of the content that you go through, and then they have a virtual lab at the end. So this is going to be very similar to that. Skill Builder does offer a 7-day free trial that you can be able to go through. I bet you'll enjoy at least one of the different variety of options that you can go through for the virtual labs. As always, thank you for your time, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.